Hi everybody, my name is Thắng and this is my friend. His name is Thắng. Today we will introduce a multi-tool that is folding pliers multi-tool with flashlight. It has 9 functions in total which include flashlight, needle nose plier, knife, Phillips head screw, cans and bottle openers. It is made of stainless steel. Can be easily carried and used everywhere, at home, at school, and when you traveling. This is flashlight. Flashlight use 3 tiny battery to power it. Switching is a simple case of rotating the body. The burn time is 3 or 4 hours. Use it if you go along a dim-lit city road or dark country lanes or lots of power. Needle nose pliers used for ripping small or raw paper and having a wire cutter in the structure of the pliers. Much short work of wire. When you don't need pull your electro kit, pull out the knife and use it to cut paper or fluid or something soft like carton.
Cans and bottle opener device used to open a tin can or open beer in a party when you need. It is very handy. Finish screwdriver used for turning, removing, or driving screw. This finish screwdriver size fish calculator, camera, smaller toys, and this is the place where you can attack keys or mini toy. It looks fashionable.
That's all. Our rounds multi-tool are useful and convenient. You should have one. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.